Today we are going to learn the lesson of 6th standard grandpa's story, tit for tat. We all know that tit for tat is an English idiom, but what is the meaning of tit for tat? It means to return something exactly what you get. It is same as an eye for an eye. So let's move to the topic. Once upon a time, a camel and a jackal lived by a river near the water's edge. Here, the meaning of water's edge is side of the river. So once upon a time, there were two animals, a camel and a jackal. They both lived on the side of the river. And on the other side of the river, there was a village with fields and farms. So on the opposite side of the river, there was one village. That village was full of fields and farms. Let's move to the second paragraph. The jackal was very clever. He tried to play a trick on his friend the camel, who was happily munching away his food. So here is a characteristic of a jackal, that he was very clever. One day he tried to play a trick on his friend. Playing trick means to cheat someone. So one day he tried to cheat the camel. The camel was happily munching away his food. The meaning of munching is to eat something with a loud chewing sound. So, Camel was just eating his food happily. Jackal began to tempt him to go for a sugarcane treat in the farmer's field. So, Jackal started trying to tempt him to go for a sugarcane treat in the farmer's field. Here is the meaning of tempt is to force someone to do something against their better judgment. So Jackal start to tempt a camel, you should go to the farmer's field for a sugarcane treat. So at first the camel hesitated, but in the end he agreed to go with the jackal to raid the sugarcane field. So at firstly, when the camel heard that jackal was saying that you should go to the farmer's field for a sugarcane treat, he hesitated. The meaning of hesitated is be reluctant to do. So at first do not agree with the jackal, but at the end he agreed, and he go with the jackal for a sugarcane treat in the farmer's field. Then the jackal sat on the camel's back, and two friends crossed the river. So, as we know that at the starting of our chapter, they lived on the side of the river, and the village was on the other side of the river. So, they should have to cross the river. So, how they crossed the river? The jackal was sitting on the camel's back, and in this way they crossed the river. So that they ate their fill in the sugarcane field. The meaning of fill is as much you as you want. So they ate the sugarcane as much as they want in that sugarcane field. Then what happened? Suddenly the jackal began to howl. "Shh," said the camel. You will wake the farmer." But the jackal went on howling. Sure enough, the farmer and his helper came running to the field. So here's what happened. After eating that sugarcane, suddenly after some time, the jackal began to howl. The meaning of howl is long wailing sound. He start to do long wailing sound. Then camel tried to stop him, but jackal continued his howling. After hearing the sound of the jackal, the farmer and his friends and his helpers came running to the field. Then the naughty jackal slipped away, but the poor camel could not do so. Here, the slipped away is a phrase. It means move quietly and quickly from one place. So, after making long wailing sound, the jackal slipped away. Slipped away means he moved quietly and quickly from that place. But the camel can't do that. The farmer beat him up and drove him away. So the farmer and his helpers beat that camel and drove him away from that field. The jackal was waiting for the camel at the riverside. He said, "Sorry, brother, but I am in the habit of singing after a good dinner. I hope you didn't mind it much." So, when the jackal was slipped away from that farmer's field, he was waiting for the camel at the riverside. When the camel reached to the riverside, the jackal said to him that, "Sorry, brother, but I am in the habit of singing after a good dinner." But he was deliberately doing that wailing sound because he wanted to play a trick on his friend camel. When the camel reached to the riverside, he said that, "Sorry, brother, but I am in the habit of singing after a good dinner. So, and I hope you didn't mind it much." Hearing that, the camel didn't say anything. He just kept quiet. He let the jackal sit on his back and enter the river. So, as they have gone to the farmer's field, they return back. Near the middle of the river, the water was very deep. There, the camel began to take a dip in the river. So, near the middle of the river, the water was very deep. So, camel began to take a dip. The meaning of dip is to slope downward. The jackal was frightened. "What are you doing, you silly fellow? Are you trying to drown me?" Drone. The meaning of drone is to kill through submersion in water. So when the camel started to do to taking a dip in the water, the jackal was very frightened and afraid, and he said that, "What are you doing, you silly fellow? Are you trying to drown me?" He said that, "Are you trying to killing me?" Then the camel said that, "No, brother," said the camel. "It's just that I am in the habit of taking a dip in the river after a good meal. I hope you don't mind." So the camel had answered the same in the same way in which the jackal had answered him. So he said that, "No, brother, it's just that I am in the habit of taking dip in the river. I am not doing this deliberately. It is my habit that to take a dip in the water after a good meal." So the naughty jackal learned this his lesson. He never troubled the camel again. The meaning of trouble is to put someone in difficulty. And after hearing the answer of camel, he understand that whatever we do to someone, we will also get that someday. So he never troubled the camel again. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you will understand it better.